Welcome to episode 5, and this is all about drawing the bird. So you're going to see in this video a new class called bird, which will look very similar to the previous classes, and we will add a bird instance to our game object. And finally, we'll just talk a little bit about the bird position. So here is the code. In fact, here is the code running with the bird drawn. And now let's look at the actual code for the bird class. So again, it's exactly the same format. We have some magic numbers, the width and height of the bird, and we have the URL to the bird image, which is here. And you can see here, it's written it in Chrome for me, that the size of the bird is 43 by 32 pixels. So that represents the height and width there as well. Okay, so the class then has an initialization function which loads the image, and we've got another draw function which is going to draw the bird here. And you can see that when it's drawing the bird this time, it's using a center X and a center Y point. And these are new variables that we've introduced in the initialization method. We're setting the initial values to be 99 and 260. So what that will look like if I open up a picture here in Keynote, and these values are based on the game size values, so the original game size, which if you can remember is 384 and 448. So the position that we want to put it here is just 99 on the X, 260 on the Y, and I'll put it just about there. And finally, in the game, we are going to also then create a variable called bird, which refers to our bird object. So this is the instance of a bird. And in our draw method, which is called 60 times a second, we're going to call bird draw, which is going to actually draw this bird. And you can see how if we were to change the X and Y values somehow or other over the course of time, that the bird, when it gets drawn, it would actually also draw in the right position. So that's what's about to come in the next episode.